ladies' lunch. Her and I, we picked this place because we go to different places around the area. We started this many years ago. I'm going to say probably a good 20 years ago. And at least I've been up there now 26 years. So I know that we've had it a long time. So we thought, why not have 2 ladies' lunches? So we now have it the first and third Thursday. Everybody from Legend Lake, and we do have a few former Legend Lakers that attend our meetings. We try to be kind of local. However, we do go to Green Bay or Appleton during the summertime if something, comes up.
What'd you all get?
Mac and cheese here.
Mac and cheese.
If you've been even a prior Legend Laker can come. I mean, it's not all Legend Lake people. They are people that
We have people
either-
from Round Lake,
Yes.
or Chocolate Lake that
Yes.
come to some of
Yes.
our things, so it doesn't matter. It's
No.
the area.
Enjoying each other's company.
Now we have to top it off with the ice cream for dessert.
I had mine already.